Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Know whether you're aiming for bronze, silver, or gold and the exact hour threshold for your age. Once done, identify and contact a certifying organization that will validate your service. Don't wait to find the perfect match. Start with local nonprofits or school programs. While you do that, immediately record every shift, date, start/end time, task type, and supervisor contact. This creates the verified log you'll need later when submitting for the award. Once your log is underway, focus on validation. Make it routine to get a supervisor's signed or emailed confirmation after each service entry, so you don't chase people later. Also, collect corroborating evidence, dated photos, event schedules, attendance rosters, and keep both digital and paper copies. Make sure your spreadsheet shows both per activity hours and a cumulative total. This simplifies review by the certifying organization. If you're serving across multiple groups, coordinate sign-offs so all hours are eligible and non-duplicative. You finish by submitting your complete packet to the certifying organization or through My PVSA, including signed logs and supporting documents. Make sure totals match the award threshold. After submission, allow processing time and follow up at 30 days if you haven't heard back. Keep copies of your submission and any correspondence. If your application is returned or rejected, request specific rejection reasons, correct the flagged entries, obtain fresh supervisor confirmations if needed, and resubmit promptly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.